it was either you or Demarco speaking to me. He said, yeah, man, we're going to link up and do the collab. And I said, you know what? When I was checking the track list and the album coming up, and I seen Demarco, I said, yo, you know what? Demarco kept his word.
That is
you understand?
Respect your G, you see me?
Come on.
Yeah, man. Me I tell you, man, right now, a problem when it drop, man, is a certified hit song. You know? I swear me G, fan, me get the song. I just repeat it. The fan, you see it?
He kept his word.
Yeah, man. Me respect that.
Yeah.
I tell you,
you know, a lot of times in this business, it's a lot of mouth talk.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You've been around certain places and, you know, okay, it's mouth talk.
Man, literally, give me my first big collab, you know. Years me in my business, and a whole heap of artists go around me, you see me? So I kind of respect come here for Demarco.
Yeah.
You see, it's sky high.
100%.
Yeah, man.
And I'm not sure if you really know how instrumental, especially at one point in dancehall, Demarco was to dancehall, you know.
Yeah.
As an artist and as a producer.
I know that. I when I go at them.
What?
No joke.
Listen, when Demarco say, yo, it's time to go to work.
A work time. You see it?
Yeah.
That is it, my G, man.
So it's following through.
Legendary, you see me?
Now, man, I rate that because, again, as I said, in this business, it's a lot of mouth talk. Yeah, man, we'll soon link on. You don't hear back from them again. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we can't bother with that, you know?
Somebody else I seen you linking with, too, is Ireland.
Yeah, man, Ireland. A far away link a forward from me, you see it? Yeah, man, Maserati. Big song. One of the big fully bad song them that you see it. One of the big song out of the catalog, you know?
Yeah.
Where people out in Ireland know and familiar with, you see it. And I just realized that the other day, say, yo, out in Ireland, this a song you have to perform because the people them listening it hard on Spotify. I tell you about people in England, Canada, America, Africa, out in Ireland, you see it. It did get a buzz down a yard to and I play in a few party, but it the underrated, you know. So
it's just out in the world, though.
Out in Ireland, a different thing.
Yeah.
You see it?
Because it's a big rhythm.
Yeah, it's a big rhythm.
Yeah.
The Mali than the V6 panel. That they get song of the year them time that the same way. You see it? And you know, say, yo, anytime I jump on the juggling them, song them always at the road.
Yeah. Click here to watch the full episode and don't forget to subscribe.